Moving an LLM from a generalized foundation to a secure enterprise agent requires months of complex infrastructure engineering, a process that often outweighs the effort of tuning the model itself. This delay is driven by three specific technical obstacles: harmonizing multimodal data, orchestrating distributed training, and ensuring deterministic security bounds. The NVIDIA NeMo framework resolves this fragmentation. It serves as a unified, linear pipeline that standardizes the architecture from data curation through model customization to guardrailed inference. This architecture pushes domain-specific tasks through a scalable environment, allowing developers to execute workflows with push-button deployment. Reliable enterprise AI deployment depends on standardizing the underlying infrastructure, a challenge this framework resolves. High-quality, decontaminated data is the absolute prerequisite for domain specialization. Without it, even the largest foundation models produce unreliable results. The pipeline begins immediately with NeMo Curator. This open-source, GPU-accelerated library is engineered to process the massive volumes of multimodal data required for enterprise training. Curator utilizes Dask and QDF to scale data extraction across distributed clusters, allowing the workload to spread across thousands of compute cores. To clean the data lake, the framework executes deduplication, identifying and deleting redundant blocks across nodes. Security is then integrated through Microsoft Presidio, detecting and masking personally identifiable information before routing data to the final training set. In cases where real-world data is limited, developers can inject synthetic data generation at this stage to augment the training volume. This transformation converts raw, risky data lakes into the precise, compliant fuel required for high-performance foundation models. Once the data is curated, it moves into the core training and customization phase of the pipeline. The framework supports both pre-training models from scratch and executing parameter-efficient fine-tuning, or PEFT, techniques like LoRa to adapt existing models. Customizing models of this size requires massive compute orchestration, which the framework manages through Google Kubernetes Engine. The architecture uses GKE A3 nodes with H100 GPUs connected via cloud storage fuse to access training data. The GPU Direct TCPX plugin optimizes networking, enabling direct transfers between the network interface and GPUs, bypassing the CPU to reduce latency. Within this environment, a batching system called QE orchestrates the job execution, managing resource allocation across the distributed nodes. By coupling the framework with GKE, the system entirely removes the DevOps friction of manually managing multi-node clusters. We can see this architecture in practice with Deloitte's Quartz Atlas AI. They use the pipeline to accelerate the traditional 10 to 15-year drug discovery timeline. The project involved 5 terabytes of raw multimodal data, consisting of 12 million nodes and 97 million connection edges. Using NeMo and BioNeMo, Deloitte trained custom chemistry and protein language models to map complex molecular relationships. Automated orchestration eliminated 7 to 10 months of manual DevOps work, reducing massive infrastructure setup to a push-button deployment. The training run saw a similar reduction, compressing a process that once took 4 weeks down to just 8 hours. Deloitte used MolMem to iteratively generate novel 3D molecular structures, reconfiguring them based on specialized training data to optimize for binding and solubility. Resolving these infrastructure bottlenecks directly accelerates the pace of real-world scientific discovery. Once the training is complete, the final NeMo checkpoint is ready for the deployment phase. The model is deployed as an NVIDIA NIM, a containerized microservice optimized by TensorRT LLM for high-throughput inference. While generative models are probabilistic by nature, enterprise operations require deterministic control over how the model responds. NeMo Guardrails provides that control as a programmable intercept layer validating every prompt. It first uses heuristic detection and LLM self-checking to block jailbreak attempts. Then, topical rails defined in Golang prevent the model from wandering into off-topic subjects. Agentic security further validates inputs and outputs whenever the model attempts to interact with external tools or databases. These configurations are fully portable, allowing the same YAML and Golang files to move from local development to a production Kubernetes cluster. This seamless process effectively converts a highly volatile statistical model into a secure, rigidly predictable enterprise software component. When we look at the complete pipeline, the primary value of the NeMo framework is its architectural cohesion. It is a standardized, composable architecture rather than a collection of disjointed tools. In production, this standardization has delivered a 50% boost in developer productivity. It removes the manual scripting burden from DevOps teams by automating the deployment onto GKE clusters. Researchers no longer fight against distributed infrastructure configurations. They now utilize a streamlined push-button execution model. This allows engineering teams to focus their resources exclusively on refining data quality and agent logic. Successfully scaling enterprise AI depends entirely on standardizing the deployment pipeline to eliminate engineering friction.